with AWE, and behind me is a Raptor R with the AWE system installed. In this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you, but before we get into that, I want to give you a quick overview of the system so you can make sense of what you're about to hear. Of course, you're welcome to skip ahead to those sound clips, but if you want to get a little more in depth, stick with me and I'll show you what it's all about. Beginning at the inlet, the AWE system starts after the emissions equipment and bolts directly up to the factory system. It begins with a tailored AWE X pipe to cut down on rasp and keep the tones nice and smooth. Up next is the Bespoke AWE SwitchPath muffler, which allows you to get the best of both worlds sound-wise. For those deep and rowdy tones, simply open the valve at the back of the muffler, and if you need to calm things down, you can still close this valve, which works seamlessly off of your factory functionality. Continuing up and over the axle is more 3-inch T304L stainless that goes through a resonator on each side that's been specifically designed for the V8 platform to keep those tones nice and deep. Finishing it off are two double-walled and straight-cut 5-inch tips available in chrome silver or diamond black. So without further ado, here's how it sounds. We hope you liked what you heard, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.